How to make reading in bed more comfortable. Hi, I'm Greg, a sleep expert here at GhostBed. I've been selling mattresses and adjustable bases for almost 30 years. Today I'm going to show you one of our other great features in our adjustable base, and it is the reading position. So I'm just going to go ahead and get on the bed and press the little icon that looks like a book on the remote, which is the reading position, and let it bring me up. I can already start to feel the stress dissipate in my lower back, and we're there. Now, this for me is great, but I might want it a little bit lower because I like to drop my pillow down a little bit more in my lower back. So what I would do is just go ahead, lower the head back a little until I feel comfortable, and that's about it. And then I would just go ahead and press the book button here. There's 3 lights here that'll flash rapidly after about 7 seconds. And once that does that, that's been locked in, and now we've changed the memory on the preset for the reading position. So now the next time I get into bed, it'll be there automatically. You can do that for all of the other presets as well. And also, don't worry if you've set that and think, oh, now what am I going to do? I might want to bring it back. You can always go back to the factory settings. So all you would have to do is locate the ZG button and the flat button. You press and hold those both at the same time until the lights flash across your remote. Again, usually about 7 seconds. That is complete. It'll always bring you back to the original settings that were programmed into the remote. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to us here at GhostBed. We're always happy to help.